There is no way you can keep photoshopping without the toolbar. If you accidentally close the toolbar, don't worry. You can always go to the top menu, find Windows, and open the toolbar. Another situation is that you will find that your toolbar does not contain all the tools. At this time, you can go to the bottom of the toolbar and click Edit Toolbar. All Photoshop tools will be available here. You can add or delete tools to the toolbar according to your own habits. You can also adjust these tools to the order you are used to. That's for today's video. Thanks for watching. In this series of videos, we will go through everything in Photoshop in a most simple and clear way, and also try our best to answer everything in the comment to help. Please consider hitting the like button or subscribe to support this channel.